So we just did a radio call out. There's a boat off our stern here, Faith, a monohull in the distance, and slowly sinking. So we're going to see if we can do something about that, but we can't really just let that boat sink. That would be a terrible shame, and it's not nice for the locals to have that sitting here in their beautiful bay. Still afloat. There was a real danger with all of us standing on one side that the boat could actually capsize. One of the first things we had to do was find out where the water was coming in from and plug the holes. So many people turned up to help with everything from buckets to manual pumps to electric pumps connected to solar panels and battery banks.
Okay. Can we make the white bucket?
We're bailing out this hatch here. Water knee deep. Yeah, I think we must video this.
Fantastico, no?
Unfortunately, we couldn't get this petrol pump to work, so we had to continue bailing by hand.
So why are you drinking beer?
Because we saved the boat.
If you like our videos and would like to support us, please take a look at our Patreon page. The link is in the text below. Your support will help us buy better recording and editing equipment, and it will also help us continue on our adventure.